Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the app and granting permissions. Open Android Studio and create an empty activity with Kotlin or Java, min SDK 21 or higher. Add the post notifications entry to Android Manifest for Android 13 and up. This is required so the system will allow your alerts. Next, add Android X, Material and Androids. Core KTX, or Notification Compat to build. Gradle so you can build channels and use compatibility APIs. Once done, sync Gradle and prepare to implement the notification channel. Now implement the notification channel and builder. You create a notification channel when API 26 or higher is detected, set an ID, human-friendly name, importance and description so users control behavior. Use Notification Compat. Builder with that channel ID, a small icon, title, and text. Set priority for pre-26 devices. Make a pending intent to open an activity when the user taps the notification, and attach action buttons with add action so users can respond from the shade. Make sure to call Notify with a unique ID to finish by wiring UI controls to build and post the notification using Notification Manager. Notify with a stable ID. This makes updates predictable. Test on multiple API levels and devices, and inspect the app notification settings to confirm your channel appears and has the correct importance. If notifications fail, make sure post notifications is granted, the channel was created before posting, and pending intent flags match your target SDK expectations. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate the channel only when its metadata changes, otherwise user set importance will be lost.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.